Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Grounded 2 game not launching or not opening, unable to open, stuck on loading screen, not loading error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So for that, after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. So before playing the game, check all of these requirements and after that, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it. After verifying the game files, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. Here you have to select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, this time again come back and select disable full screen automations, click on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and after that move to the next method. Well, the next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, after that click on storage, click on downloads, then go below. Now click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You have to log into Steam. So for that, confirm it. After that, log into Steam once again, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry. You simply have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager tab. You have to check background process tab. You have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates option will be available over here. You simply have to click on it, and after clicking on it and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option, click on it, click on yes, and wait for some time. Once you get set up successful message, now close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if your PC have any antivirus software installed, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below, click on the download option. This will download DirectX. You have to open it, and after you open it, you have to install it, and after installing it, now log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, here you have to click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Same thing for GeForce Experience users. Open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, add the game to the list over here. Now after adding the game, from here you have to click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Grounded 2 game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Grounded 2 game once again, and then click on the play button to check if the game is launching or opening or not.